Once you have extracted the folder, as I can show you the folder. So this is the folder. It will become 125 GB after you have extracted this file. After that, you have to install the 16.1 SS as per the serial key. You have to install that. After that, this logo will come. You have to double click on this one. So initially, like that screen will be visible. So what you have to do, you have to just click on this open a virtual machine, and where you have extracted the all folders. So there you have to go and you have to select this file. For example, I will go back. So in D folder, this is extracted file. Go inside and click on this file and open. So like that will come. You have to just click on power on this virtual machine. Yes. Start normally. So first click inside, then from keyboard Control Alt plus Delete button, cancel this one and click on Administer. Here password will be I capital N D I A 123, India 123, where I will be the capital letter for India and 123. Just enter. So like that screen will come here. So here what you have to do, first click on this SAP Management Console. So like that console will open. So first this DA will becomes green. Just wait for a few seconds for the first time, and then you have to select this EH6 and click on this start. Once you click start, so this new window will pop up. Just click OK. Here again you have to give the password India 123, I capital. Remaining alphabets will be the small and then 123. Just OK. So wait for a few minutes, so until and unless this EH6 also become the green. Now it becomes yellow and green. After it becomes green, you have to click on SAP Logon. Then here click on this ECC. Then like that user interface will come. Here user ID is SAP user and the password India 123. Let's enter. So like that you have to open. Whenever you are closing, just take your cursor on the above screen and click on this one, so it will suspend your system. Like that. What you have to do is cancel this. So like that you have to perform this one.